Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fulfill your Shopify orders for free, no paid applications, no hidden tools, just the built-in options that are already given here in your Shopify dashboard. So first of all, when someone buys from your store, their order approves here on your Shopify dashboard. Here in the left hand side, you will see the orders tab. So you will find all of your orders over here in this section. So you will see the customer's details, their shipping addresses, and their payment status. So once the payment is confirmed, you can just start the fulfillment process manually, and that is 100% free. Now, if you sell the digital products or the items that you ship yourself, you just have to click the option of mark as fulfilled over here after you send the order. Then you can upload a tracking number if you have one, and the Shopify will automatically email you and your customer a shopping confirmation. Now, if you are using or if you are doing drop shipping, you can still fulfill the orders manually without any kind of paid application. You just have to copy the customer's detail. Then you need to place the same order directly with your supplier. Then you need to add the tracking code inside Shopify once it is shipped. So this manual method take more time, but it is also going to save you money until you are ready to scale. Now you can also create the custom shipping labels by connecting Shopify shipping, which is also absolutely free to use in most of the regions, and it is going to give you the discounted postage rates. Remember that always double check the addresses and the inventory before making anything as fulfilled to avoid any kind of refunds or delivery issues. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.